Okay, hello again, everyone. Good morning. Guess what? Today is the practice test, okay? Now, I'm assuming this is recording. My hand is going there, you see. All right, in any event, let's talk about today. So put practice test. Okay, now when you submit your work uh, Tuesday, okay, because Monday I'm going to go over all the answers. Okay, so let me write that down. Monday, I'll give you all the answers, or at least I'll work them, okay? Now, over the weekend, you can practice with your dad or your mom or a friend, okay? Do you know we're talking about surface area ones first, okay? Number one, we did the cube. Draw a square, put another square, overlap it, connect these. Do you know what those points are called? Starts with a V. Can you write it? Well, the points are called vertices, okay? In any event, answers, you're going to draw a nut. I'll give you the ball. Left at the right side, which is this one. You have the top. Well, actually you got the back. And then the top is going to go on top of that. It's got to flip over. It should be 6 of these. And then you got the front. So count them. There's 6. That's your answer. And that should go right here in the answer column. Okay? Now mine's not real good. This one looks better. So try to make it better. Draw a circle, connect another circle, and then draw the net. I want to see everything, okay? So copy everything. In case you're wondering what this is right here, this is the bag collector. Oh, that's the wire. But this right here, you can't see the whole thing. But it's from a Honda lawnmower. It supports the bag collector. And I never used it. But it works good for this. All right, the next one, number 3. Draw the rectangular cylinder. Oh, said that wrong. Draw the rectangular prism. That's a prism. That's a prism. This is a cylinder. Okay. Now draw the net. Okay. Still should be 6 sides. You got 2 little ones, and then you got 4 big rectangles. These are all nets. Remember, the net is when you open it up. Okay. Take the can opener and cut it. Number 4, draw a triangle. Draw another triangle. Connect the vertices and draw the net. Okay? I want you to put the names here so I know what they are. If you don't put the name, you won't get credit. Okay? So put cube, cylinder. This is a rectangular prism. Remember, if the bases are the same, it's a prism. A cube is technically a prism. This is a triangular prism. Triangular prism. I'll just stop at try. It's kind of early. I haven't had my coffee. I might misspell it. All right. Now what I want you to do, number 5A, or 5, let's call it 5. I want to take number 1 and find the surface area. Now you might say, well, what are the numbers? Well, that's good. We'll put a 4. Remember, if this is 4, they're all 4 because it's a cube. Have you ever held in your hand a sugar cube and then fed it to a horse out of your hand? All right, anyway. This one, number 6, number 2, I want you to use this one and find the surface area. Okay, I want to see the work. And I don't care if someone helps you. The radius is going to be 5 and the height is going to be 10. Number 7, number 3. I want you to find surface area. Well, show me all the work, okay, and then put the answers in the answer column. Don't skip lines here, okay, for the answer column. I want to be able to grade this easily. All right, so let's make this 4, 8, and 2 inches. And then finally, number 8 is number 4, and I want surface area. So the height of the triangle will make 6. The base of the triangle will make 10, and we'll make this 20. Rectangle. Now you might say, uh-oh, what am I going to do to get this one? Well, you're going to do Pythagorean theorem. You're going to pull out this little triangle here. I'll just give you the hint. This is 6. This is going to be 5 because half of 10. You're splitting this in half, 5 plus 5. And then you're going to do Pythagorean theorem to get this one. You need that one because that's going to be the side of all the rectangles. All the rectangles. We'll make this one an isosceles triangle. So all 3 sides are the same, which means all 3 rectangles are going to be the same. Okay, let's finish this up. Finally, number 9, 10, 11, and 12, I want volume. So this would be number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay? All right, now I need some more room. Make sure you make an answer column. Okay, again, I want neat work out there. Some of you are turning in some stuff I can't even read. Okay. All right, number 13. I think I'm on 13. Yeah. Hey, lucky number 13. I want you to draw this triangle. Put a dot. Okay, so number 13, I want the net. Number 14, I want you to use the same diagram. And I want volume. Remember, it comes to a point. So you got to divide by 3. So the height of this is going to be 5. We'll make this an isosceles triangle at 7. The height of the pyramid. Now I can't really draw that too well, but the height of the pyramid is 20 inches. Now you need the height of the triangle to get the next. This is the last one. I want the surface area. So in other words, you need the slant height. You need this one right here. So if you did the net, it would look like this. Okay? So you have the height of the pyramid. That's good. You have the height of the triangle. We know this is 7. The height of the triangle's here. We know that they're all 7. We're looking for this distance here. That's called the slant height. Now we really didn't do much work on this, but I'm going to pull that triangle out. So we know this is 7, so that makes this 3.5. Because 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7. So we're going to take this triangle right here and try to figure out L, which is the slant height. So put an X right there. I guess you could call it L. So take half of that triangle, Put 3.5. Put L. We need that L. Now let me think. Okay, let's make this 10 degrees. So you're going to have to do SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. This one's going to be a hard one. Okay, I'm not going to lie to you. SOHCAHTOA. So it looks like you're going to stand here, so it's opposite over adjacent. So it should be the tangent. Once you find the slant height, you can get the area of all three triangles and then add it to this, the bottom. Make sure you add the bottom triangle. That's it. That's your practice test. Took me about 11 minutes. I hope you have a good morning. You got all weekend. If you can't work with your mom or your dad, because I know what that's like, work with a friend. Call them. Okay. Watch the video several times. Hopefully you've been really doing your work. I would like to think that everybody has. All right, anyhow, remember what I said. Do something nice for your mom. I haven't gotten anybody who told me what they did nice for their mom. And I mean that. I want something to where your mom looks you in the eyes and says, hey, come here a second. And looks you in the eyes and says, you know what? I really appreciate that. That's what I want. So if you get that reaction, then you did what I asked you to do. Okay? And if you didn't, keep trying. Okay? She'll eventually tell you, thank you. And again, if your mom's not around, get your dad. Okay? All right. Have a good morning. Have a good weekend. I'm going to have this due on Monday. Monday, I'm going to work the whole thing. All right. Have a good day. Actually, let me think here. Monday, I'm working it, so I'm going to have it due Sunday night, midnight. Okay. See ya.